In this video, we'll take a look at how Protos can be used to support and accelerate the work of an R&D scientist, simulating performance gaps of a battery cell. Every project starts with data, so that's where we start. Schemas are the structure for your data. Every data type your team works with is defined, versioned, and reusable across every project. Protos generates schemas for you, and here you can inspect and edit them yourself. Now let's populate our schemas with data. In the Data Studio, the first step is selecting the schema you want to work with. From there, you can either create your own entry manually, or hand the task to the Copilot and let it do the work for you. In our example, we activate an already existing design. To bring in our requirements, we upload them to the Copilot, and Protos takes care of the rest, parsing the content, matching it to the schema, and configuring every field correctly. Every time you upload knowledge into Protos, the Copilot updates the knowledge library with the sources you're working with. The result, a fully versionable library, where every asset is linked back to its source. Back in the Data Studio, Protos gives you full control by showing you a side-by-side comparison of your design and your requirements. The two documents fully comparable and editable in any dimension. If we navigate to the Models library, this is where your validated simulation models live, ready to use across every project. Now we ask the Copilot to configure our pipeline. We want our design mapped onto our requirements, so we can see where it hits the mark and where we need to keep iterating. One prompt and Protos handles it. Here in the Simulation Studio, it all comes together. The graph view shows you exactly how your pipeline is wired, and in the panel below, you can inspect and edit your components. When you're satisfied with the setup, approve and Protos runs the jobs. When the job's complete, the Simulation Studio renders the results. For our battery cell, that's a KPI spider chart, a discharge time series, and a bill of materials breakdown, pass-fail against every requirement in one view. But the same workflow runs anywhere. A wear study tracking foam compression and skin temperature against IEC safety limits. A drug discovery pipeline, scoring druggability across protein structures. Same engine, different domain. The decision that used to take weeks of back and forth now has an answer you can act on today. We've just seen one pipeline, in one domain, but Protos is built for wherever complexity lives, from materials discovery to design validation. Across every physical system your team is pushing forward. Explore, optimize, validate. Welcome to the new home of Frontier R&D.